Hey, that hurt. Knock that shit off, man. That hurt. Let me poke in the eye. What's wrong with you, man? Huh? Didn't you get no respect? Hey, leave it alone. We talked about the eyes already. No eyes, no ears, no nose, and no trick picking. That's it. And get off me. Perico, you better listen to what I tell you. I'm gonna bring up the eyeball protector. There. Get off me. Get off me. You're making me cry. Perico, God darn you, quit picking on me. Ow. Ow. That one hurt. God darn it. Get off me. And you better not poop up there either, Perico. I'm going to be very mad at you. You hear that? Look at the chew. Hey. Hey. That's it. No more pictures.